Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction with Navy Federal. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser, go to Google and then type in Navy Federal and then click into the Navy Federal Credit Union. From here, you want to log into your account. So click on the sign in button. And then we need to sign in with your username or password. And then once you've done that, you should see account services, and then from there click on dispute a credit card purchase and just go through the process. Another way how we can dispute a transaction, if we scroll down the bottom of this page, they've got a phone number here we can get in touch with. So give them a call, and it's a 24/7 member service line, and let them know you want to dispute a transaction. And also there's a few different ways how we can do this. So we've done the phone number, we can talk, we can even do a live chat. So you just click on the left hand side to open up a live chat here. So a live chat pop up and just say you'd like to dispute a transaction on your account. And a few other ways is in person. So if you rather talk face to face, you can talk to one of their team members at one of the branches. So you click on find a branch near you. If I just open this in the new link and copy that and paste that and find a credit union where you live. And also they've got a general mailing address here, so if you want to dispute a charge via old school general mailing, go ahead and do that.